Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Lemme, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on teaser 1, which is introduced at the intermediate level. The goal of the exercise is spine articulation, kind of like the roll-up. The challenge is you're not just rolling up, but you're also floating your legs up off the mat at the same time. Anyway, you do a total of 3 repetitions, and maybe I said this, maybe I didn't, but I'm going to show you 2 ways to approach teaser 1, and then I'm going to show you how to progressively build strength so you can do this exercise with maximum control. I will meet you on the mat. Teaser 1 happens right after side kicks. So to set up, lie down on your back, bend your knees into a frog position. My knees are the distance of my armpits. As my knees go back, my sit bones reach forward. Press your arms into the mat. Take a deep inhale all the way down to your lower back. As you exhale, pull your lower abs into the mat, slide your navel back, reach your legs forward to 45 degrees, press them together. Float your arms up. They're parallel to your thighs for the whole exercise. Starting with the top of your Pilates box, your shoulders, curl your head and shoulder blades up. As you roll your shoulders up, pull your hip points down and back. Reach up into your teaser 1. My arms and legs are going upward on a diagonal. My hip points are pulling down and back. Starting with your hip points, curl your tailbone under, pull your hip points down and back, arms and legs go forward and up. You roll to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. Again, pull your hip points down and back, reach your arms forward and up. Keep reaching your arms up, pull your hip points back, roll to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. One more, pull your hip points back, reach your arms forward and up. And then lift your powerhouse, pull your hip points back, and roll down one bone at a time till your head arrives. Bend your knees into your chest. You can also do teaser 1 from a seated position, and you'll initiate teaser with the bottom of your box this time. So sit up nice and tall, press the backs of your upper inner thighs and your heels together, and your hands go by your side. Lift your waist, lower your chin. As you pull your hip points down and back, start to roll back. Float your legs up to 45 degrees as your arms reach forward. Float your arms up so they're parallel to your thighs. And then inhale, roll up into your teaser. Keep reaching from the base of your armpits all the way up towards your pinky toes. And then pull your hip points back. Keep reaching what I call the base of your armpits forward to roll down. And again, reach from the base of your armpits as your hip points go down and back. Your arms go forward and up. And then pull your hip points down and back. I'm still reaching, trying to reach past my toes. One more. Reach forward and up from the base of your armpits. And then reach so far forward that your legs float down into the mat. So there's a couple of ways that I like to build up strength for teaser 1, and one way is out of rolling like a ball. So place your hands next to your hips, bend your knees, and place your feet flat in Pilates stance. Lift your hips and curl your tailbone under. Sit as close to your heels as you can. Your hip points are pulling down and back. In one motion, grab your ankles, lift your feet up in balance. Press your heels together and try to avoid collapsing your ribs into your pelvis. Lift your ribs up, but keep curling your tailbone under. As you press your heels together, reach your arms forward and up on a diagonal. And remember that reach comes from here, the base of your armpits, all the way up through your fingers. Now the key is trying not to move your spine. So lift your waist, pull your hip points down and back as you reach your legs forward and up so your arms and legs are parallel to one another. And then lift your waist, feel like you're curling your tailbone under and bend your knees back into rolling like a ball. And again, lift your powerhouse, lift your waist as you extend your legs. Find your teaser shape. Lift your waist, pull your lower abdominals in deeper to bend your knees. Now your legs might not straighten, that's okay. I lift my waist, maybe I can lift my legs to here without my spine moving. I balance here. Press your feet together, lift tall, and then bend your knees, grab your ankles, lower your feet. One of the reasons why I like practicing out of rolling like a ball is that it teaches you what shape your spine should be in. A lot of times when people roll up into a teaser, they finish in like this V shape with a sharp angle at their hips, and that just feels super grippy and painful in my hip creases. Instead, you know from rolling like a ball that the base of the ball is a pelvic tilt. The front of my body is concave. I reach my arms forward, I keep the front of my body concave, and then I descend my legs forward. All the work is in my abdominal wall, and it's not about gripping in my hip creases. Another great place to build up strength for teaser 1 is from the half roll back. So start with your knees bent, feet flat, legs are at a 90-degree angle. Press your legs together, press your hands into your thighs, and sit up as tall as you can. Initiating from your hip points, roll backwards. Pull your hip points all the way to the back edge of the mat and roll back until your arms are almost straight. And then see if you can deepen your pelvic tilt, get the backs of your hips on the mat. And then float your arms up so they are parallel to your thighs. Keep pulling your hip points down and back. Reach the base of your armpits forward and up at the same time, and you'll come up into your pelvic tilt and a modified teaser. Lift your waist, pull your hip points way back, and this time roll to the backs of your hips and then to your waist. And then press your waist into the floor, reach forward and up with your arms, down and back with your hip points. This time roll to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. Lift your waist, pull your hip points back, roll to the backs of your hips, your waist, the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. I didn't stop reaching. I'm constantly reaching forward and up. Now press your waist down, reach the base of your armpits up, and come into your modified teaser. Let's add on. Grab the backs of your thighs, sit up nice and tall. Keep pressing your head up towards the ceiling. Extend your right leg, turn it out so your knee is pointing away from the midline of your body. Press your upper inner thighs together, curl your tailbone under, and roll back until your arms are almost straight. Keep curling your tailbone under, trying to pull your hip points into the mat. And then reach your arms parallel to your thighs. Pull your hip points down and back, roll up into your teaser. Keep reaching your arms forward and up, and this time roll to the backs of your hips, then roll just to your waist. And then press your waist down, reach with the top of your Pilates box to roll up into your modified teaser. This time roll to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. Can you get your hip points to face the ceiling? Now imagine your hip points want to stay there. Pull your hip points down and back. Reach your arms forward and up. And then bend your knee, grab your thighs, sit up tall the other side. Extend your left leg. Press your upper inner thighs together. Lift your waist. Pull your hip points down and back as your left leg goes forward and up. Stop when your arms are almost straight, and then curl your tailbone under even more. And then reach your arms forward parallel to your thighs. Pull your hip points down and back, reach forward and up. And this time roll to your waist. Press the backs of your upper inner thighs together. Roll equally on both sides of your spine. Press your waist down, reach the base of your armpits up. And then lift your waist and then roll all the way to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades this time. And then try to press your waist down, reach forward and up, and then hold this shape. Extend your right leg, and you're in your teaser. So what do you do when you feel stuck on your way up into teaser? Let's see. Reach your legs forward, pull your waist back, arms are parallel to your thighs. What often happens is this. I curl up, and I'm like, oop, I'm totally stuck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flap my arms. And then I'm gonna try to climb up into a teaser. So I disconnected from my powerhouse instead of taking the time to build the strength in my powerhouse. So what you can do instead is this. Let's say you curl up and you're stuck. Grab the backs of your thighs like you would for the half roll back. I'm pushing my legs down into my hands and pulling on my legs. So now I have the support in order to articulate and roll up. I pull my hip points down and back, and I roll up just as high as I can. And then I push my thighs into the support of my arms, and then roll all the way back down. And again, roll up. Maybe you get past that stuck spot. Then you can reach forward and up. And then see if you can roll down to the bottom tips of your shoulder blades. If you feel stuck, you always know you can go back to here. You can even do it with your knees bent. The goal, though, is spine articulation, right? Not rolling up into teaser by any means necessary. Once you get to the top, then maybe you can straighten your legs and reach your arms parallel to your thighs. And then curl your tailbone under, roll down one bone at a time, rest your head, bend your knees. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.